Thank you, Ma'am Vanessa. Let me start by emphasizing that voting is both a right and a responsibility. It is our right to choose leaders who represent us and a responsibility to make informed choices. But why voting is so important? Great question. Voting determines that policies and programs that affect our daily lives, education, healthcare, jobs, and more. By voting, you help to decide who will lead and how our country moves forward.
That's right. And to fully exercise this right, we need to inform. Let's talk about the basic steps to prepare for election day.
First, make sure you are a registered voter. You can verify your status at the local Catholic office or via online.
What's your new rate to register?
You need a valid ID and proof of residency once you're registered. It's important to stay informed about the candidates at the issues that they stand for.
Take the time to research each candidate. Look at their platforms, track records, and how they plan to address issues that matter to you. Don't let popularity or propaganda influence your decision.
On election day, here's what you need to know.
Arrive early at your polling station to avoid long lines. Bring a valid ID and for your voters receipt if you need one. Remember to vote wisely and make sure you are marking your ballot correctly.
What if I say something during voting?
Excellent question. If you notice any irregularities, such as voting buying, intimidation, or tampering with ballots, report it immediately to the election officer or hotline numbers provided by the committee.
Let's not forget that voting is not just about showing up on election day. It is about making your voice heard and shaping a better future for all of us.
And don't stop voting. Continue to engage with your elected officials, hold them accountable, and stay involved in your community programs.
Thank you everyone for being here today. Remember, your vote is your voice. Use it wisely. Let's work together for a brighter tomorrow.
Your vote, your voice, our future.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to your polling precinct. Please line up according to your assigned cluster and have your valid ID ready. We're here to ensure a smooth and secure voting process.
Hi, I'm a first time voting. I'm a little bit nervous. What I need to do?
No need to worry. First, take your name on the voters list posted outside. Once verified, proceed to the polling station with your ID. The election officer will guide you on how to fill out your ballot.
We received a report of candidates' campaign materials near the polling station, and we need to remove it immediately.
Absolutely. Let's send someone to check and enforce the rules. Campaigning within 50 meters of a polling place is prohibited.
Excuse me, I noticed someone handing out money outside the restaurant.
Thank you for reporting this. Vote buying is a serious offense. We'll send our security team to investigate. If you can, please provide a written statement for our report.
It's good to see Comelec responding swiftly. Transparency and accountability are key to credible elections.
Reminder to everyone, please keep your ballots confidential and avoid taking pictures while voting. Let's maintain the integrity of the election.
It was easier than I thought. Thank you for your guidance.
You're welcome. Thank you for exercising your right to vote.
Remember that Malls close at 7 p.m. As long as you're in line before bed, you'll still be around at 4.
With work managing everything, I include this observation in my report.